So I've finally made the choice to move all of my investments across to Moomoo and pretty much invest exclusively with them. And I haven't made this choice lightly. Honestly, I'm quite adverse to making changes in my life, especially when things are already set up and I have a routine already, which I'm sure a lot of you can relate to. Over my entire investing journey now, over 7 years, I've only changed brokers 2 times. So this will be the 3rd time that I've changed. And there are 4 main reasons as to why I'm deciding to make this change. And I thought I'd share my thoughts with you behind my own decision-making process. Now, for full transparency, whilst I do collaborate with Moomoo, this video is entirely my own thoughts and opinion. So in case you haven't heard of Moomoo before, they are a stock brokerage platform that entered the Australian market back in 2022. They operate under Futu Holdings, which is a US-based company that is also publicly listed on the US NASDAQ and is backed by Tencent with a market cap of over $10 billion. This is very, very important because this means that they are highly regulated and are required to publish their company financials every 3 months. So this is just an added layer of security for you as an investor. And from their company's perspective, they have been able to grow their revenue and profits consistently year over year. So that's a huge plus from a business sustainability perspective. Now, not only do they have to follow strict regulations overseas, but also in Australia, as they're being regulated by ASIC, and most recently, they became CHESS sponsored as well. This is a big deal for Australians because this means that whenever you purchase any shares or ETFs through Moomoo, they are actually held directly within your own name, which is just another layer of security for you as an investor. All of these factors combined are the first reason as to why I'm switching brokers. Not only are they CHESS sponsored, but they're a multi-billion-dollar company that is profitable. So I have the comfort in knowing that my stocks and ETFs are going to be safe and secure. Now, to give more of a background as to which brokerage platforms I've previously used, I started off with CommSec all the way back in 2017, then moved across to Southwealth in 2019, and then finally across to Stake in 2022. So I think I have some decent experience with brokerage platforms of all sizes. And I can confidently say that Moomoo has been the most consistent in terms of improving its technology, its app, and has a great customer support as well. I just recently reached out to their online chat support to ask how I open a CHESS sponsored account myself, and they responded within a minute of me initiating the chat and helped me solve my question in a few minutes. And if you prefer to speak with someone directly, then you can call up 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. To further prove my point, just pull up their Apple App Store reviews and be the judge of yourself, and compare this to some of the other brokerage platforms that are out there on the market. In my opinion, a great company is not only a company with a great product, but also great customer service and customer experience as well. And they want to consistently innovate and improve their product based on their customers' feedback. I recently went to New York by invitation with Moomoo and saw firsthand the new features and functionality that Moomoo have been consistently rolling out in their brokerage platform for their users. And so this is the second reason as to why I decided to switch over to Moomoo. Now, when deciding which brokerage platform to invest with, one of the key factors to consider are the costs associated with that platform. At the end of the day, the service that you're getting is the same across all brokers. The ability to buy and sell stocks and ETFs. And luckily, Moomoo has some of the lowest fees in Australia, with a flat $3 trading fee for trades under $10,000 when investing into the ASX market, and there's also no inactivity fees or account keeping fees. If you're looking to invest into the US stock market, then they're also pretty competitive there, with a flat fee of $0.99 per order. Now, is Moomoo the cheapest broker that you can find in Australia? Well, technically not, but they do come pretty close. Stake also offers $3 trades for trade values of up to $30,000, after which it becomes 0.01% of the trade value, while CMC Markets technically offers $0 trades when you invest less than $1,000 per day per stock. Now, while CMC Markets indeed offers $0 trades, you'll actually be charged an $11 trading fee when you inevitably sell your shares. Whilst with Moomoo and Stake, you'll be charged the same $3. So CMC market still works out to be more expensive, even though it might seem to be the cheapest at face value. So unless you're investing more than $10,000 each and every time, Moomoo and Stake are pretty much tied. And so this is the third reason of why I've decided to move from Stake to Moomoo. Personally, I don't invest more than a few $1,000s each time, so I'm not really losing out on anything from moving from Stake to Moomoo. But I actually end up gaining a lot of additional features when I move across to Moomoo. Firstly, the ability to do fractional share trading when investing into US stocks. Basically meaning that you can invest into fractions of a share, like 0.1 share or 0.5 share, instead of having to buy the entire unit. Some US stocks are quite expensive, like Nvidia, which recently broke over $1,000 per share, which equates roughly to 1,600 Australian dollars per share. Moomoo also offers a cash management feature, which essentially enables you to earn interest on any uninvested cash that you have lying around in your brokerage account. Furthermore, they empower you with every piece of financial information that you would ever need when deciding which stock or ETF to invest into. If you're looking for financial indicators like earnings per share or net margin, then they have you covered. Do you want a company's revenue breakdown? They've got that. Or what about what analysts are rating that stock? They've got that too. All of this information is free when you use the app. If you wanted to see similar data from other brokerage platforms, then more than likely you're gonna have to pay a subscription fee for it. And this is the fourth and final reason as to why I've decided to switch across to Moomoo. So those are the 4 reasons as to why I've decided to switch from Stake to Moomoo. And I honestly feel that they are the best all-around brokerage platform in Australia at the moment. But nothing is perfect, and at the end of the day, there are still some improvements that I would like to see, such as the ability to set up automatic investments with regular deposits. This would allow me to further automate my investments, so hopefully they roll out a feature like this in the future. Now, after watching this whole video, if you're interested in signing up to Moomoo, then you can use the link in the description where you can receive up to 10 free stocks valued at up to $3,300 when you deposit at least $2,000. Plus, for any uninvested cash that you have on your Moomoo account, you can earn an interest rate of 6.8% per annum for up to 180 days. If you do sign up using the link, thank you for supporting my channel, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content in the future. And if you're interested in knowing what stocks and ETF that I personally invest into, then make sure you check out this video right here.